Good morning, everybody. It's Ryan here, coming at you from Erie, Pennsylvania. Got a service call first thing this morning. The work order states that the front unit's making a odd high-pitched squeaking. So might have a bad blower, might have a belt, who knows. We're gonna drive on over there, hop up on the roof, check it out, and see what we can find. Alright guys, I think I know what the problem is. Hear that? Yeah, so we're getting that humming, that high-pitched noise here from the economizer. Like it's pulling in along this seam. So let's try something here. I'm gonna open up this blower compartment and we're just gonna pull air from outside and let's go see if that noise goes away. Yeah, no more noise. So basically what's happening is we're not getting enough air through the return, and it's sucking air everywhere it can, and unfortunately it's pulling it through where this economizer is connected to the unit, resulting in that weird, odd, high-pitched noise that the manager reported to their facilities company. So I'm gonna check the amp draw in the motor, I'm gonna check the belt and all that good stuff, but more than likely these the ductwork on these units are concentric. So basically the return air comes right down through the middle, pulls all your return air up into the unit, and then your supply ties in and supplies air through the perimeter. I'm going to take the camera in and get you a quick shot here before I go, and that way we can both see how dirty these return airs are. Boy, it is windy up here in Erie today. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and inspect the blower. That high-pitched noise they're getting is coming from right here. I think I'm also gonna write up to seal up around this economizer. All right, everybody, the indoor blower's rated for 4.8 full load amps. We're pulling 3.53. I don't hear any strange noise coming from the blower motor itself. All I hear is that high-pitched squeal where the air is trying to, you know, get pulled anywhere it can. That return air is plugged just about solid. Like I said, I'll get a picture of that. So I'm gonna shut the power off. They're gonna inspect the belt. But I don't think there's a whole lot going on here other than the return airs need cleaned. And normally what we do there is get a ladder and a shop vac. It's pretty technical stuff. You know, it's a high performance HEPA filter. Basically it's just a shop vac and we clean it. Bearings sound good on the motor. It's not extremely hot. Let's see here. I've got no play in the bearings on our blower assembly, and I don't hear any grinding bearings or anything along those lines. The belt looks decent, nice and tight. Not too tight though. We got an A54, so we're gonna kick this unit on in heat, make sure it heats, and then I'm gonna go downstairs and talk to them and let them know that we gotta come back and clean those returns. I'd do it right now, but everything's got to be quoted. I want to make sure we get paid for it, and all three of them need done. already inspected all these heat exchangers. I've got write-ups on all of them, contactors. I think the other two need belts. I cycled them, but we're gonna go down. I'm gonna show you the return air plugged up, talk to the manager, and I'm gonna move on to my next job. It's always windy in Erie, Pennsylvania. And as you can see, that's the concentric, so it sucks the air right up through the middle, and then your supply air is all supplied around the perimeter. And that thing is pretty plugged up. I don't know if it's showing up very good on the camera, but that's gonna need cleaned, and that's what's causing a squeak on the roof. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this one. I mean, pretty easy. I took pictures. Everybody will get sent the information that I gathered today, and that's gonna do it. Hey, guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell icon. That'll notify you anytime I got a new video coming out. Hit like, leave me a comment. And from Erie, PA, I appreciate you watching. That's gonna do it for this one.